guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to memorialize an Instagram account. Instagram provides an option to memorialize the account of someone who has passed away. Here's how you can memorialize an Instagram account. First, open the Instagram account or the app. After that, on the bottom right corner there's your profile icon. Select that. When you reach to your profile, on the top right corner again there's a 3-line icon. Select that. Over here, settings and activity. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the help. Under more information and support, select help and go to the help center. Over here we can see there's a search icon. Tap on the search icon and type on Memorialize and search for it. And over here what you have to do is tap on the report a deceased person's account on Instagram. Tap on the memorialize the Instagram account here. Scroll a bit down and here we can see there's a learn how to request the memorialization. Tap there. And over here you could see there's an option request the memorialization. Select that option over here and scroll a bit down. Over here we could see to request that an account be removed, select fill out the form. Over here what you have to do is provide the necessary information when submitting. Before, type down the full name of the person, your email address, full name of the deceased person, and the username of the deceased person. And if you want to put down any additional information, you can type down also. And when you're done, select send. And after you send it, wait for the confirmation. After submitting the memorialization request, you'll need to wait for the Instagram to review and process it. And once the account has been memorialized, Instagram will add a remembering banner to the profile to indicate the person has passed away. This is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.